Hi, this is Learner IT Profession, and today we are learn how to add and remove a hard drive by use of gdisk. So start by add a hard drive on a machine. First of all, I tell you about the concept of gdisk because gdisk use when you cannot create a partition, or cannot create a partition like above 2 TB. So you can use gdisk because hard disk only create a partition from, you can say, from 0 or 1 MB to 2 TB, and above than 2 TB it cannot be created. So gdisk used to create a partition above 2 TB. So here I am only add a 2 GB hard drive for just clear the concept, because this is the lab environment. I've only create a 2 GB hard drive. I've only add on 2 GB hard drive on it. Okay. Here you see the 2 GB hard drive is added on it, and the machine is power on. Okay. Okay. I've already taken a body session of the machine to check the newly add hard drive by type the command of lsblk. Okay, this the hard drive is not showing, so just reboot the machine by type the command init space 0. You can type reboot also because this is CentOS 8. If you want to check the release version, the command is cat etc release. This is the CentOS Linux release 8.5. okay, I am reboot the machine. Okay, in the meanwhile time, I'm just pause the video. Okay, continue. The machine is comes up, so just restart the session. Type the user ID. I'm using root, and the password you must know better yours. Okay, just type the command lsblk to check the newly added hard disk. Okay, here you see the hard drive is added with the size of 2 GB because I add only a 2 GB hard drive. Okay, here I'm using a gdisk. So first check the gdisk package installed or not by type the command yum space list space gdisk. Okay, here you see the package gdisk is installed. You can also type the command dnf space list because dnf is the latest command to install the packages and also list it. Okay, that is we create a partition with the help of gdisk. So just start it. This is not only the lab of to create a partition with the help of gdisk. Here we also create a volume group also. So first type the command gdisk space /. Actually this is sdb, so here we type /sdb. okay, so here you see that there is no mbr, no bsd, no apm, not gpt, but it is the first we are creating for only a single partition with the help of gdisk command, and we allocate a whole 2 GB hard drive to a single partition on a single drive. Means if the partition gate is SDB1, so all the size go SDBs will take. So just type a command n. It is a new partition. Okay, by default it is 1, so just hit enter. It is first sector is 2048. If you want to create a multiple partition, so you can give a size just like plus size if you want to say 1 GB, and if you want to give a 1 GB hard drive, so you type G. So here you allocate plus 1 GB hard drive, but I am taking a complete size. So actually here you here type only just enter, because this is the first partition. Okay, for the last sector you hit enter. Here you type if you want to add, if you want to give a first drive partition like 1 GB, so you can type plus 1 then G. So on this this partition will be a 1 GB partition, and 1 GB will remain for another if you want to create. Okay, but I am giving a complete size. Last sector is 4194270, means I am giving a whole whole size to this partition. Just hit enter. Here you want to give the hex code. By default the hex code is 8300. Is a Linux partition. If you want to give LVN type partition, you can give LVN type like 80. So I am giving a default partition. Just hit enter. Okay, to verify means write this partition to the disk. Just hit W and enter. Okay, it's says that finally checks complete, about to write GPT data. This will write this will overwrite existing partitions. This is a new drive, so just ignore it. And do you want to proceed, just hit Y. Your option is Y. Okay, the operation has completed. Okay, if you want to check, just type the command gdisk space -l space /dev /sdb. Actually here you see this is SDB. The OS drive partition name is OS drive is SDA, and the new disk drive name is SDB. Okay, gdisk space -l space /dev /sdb. Here you see the only single partition is created with the name Linux file system. Its code is 8300 with the size of 2 GB, and start sector and sector is showing. But here is not clarify that is SDB1, SDB2, SDB3, but you see that here the number is 1, so you understand this is the SDB1. And also you see is a found valid GPT protective MBR partition, means this is GPT partition. So if you want to verify like more understand more, if you want to understand more, so you type the command fdisk space -l /dev /sdb. Okay, so here you see the partition is SDB1 has been created with the size of 2 GB. Okay, next step is to create a physical volume. So just type the command because I'm not just give you a lab environment to add and remove the GPT partition. Here I'm showing you a complete scenario how to create a how to add a GPT hard disk, how to add a hard disk, and then you create a GPT partition by use of gdisk. Then you create a logical volume also, and also the reverse process we will see that. Okay, just type the command pv create is a /dev /sdb1. okay, because this is the first partition and the partition name is SDB1, so we created dev SDB1. Okay, here you see physical volume SDB1 created successfully. The next step is to create a volume group. So this command is bg-create, and I am creating a volume group name is backup. So just type backup /dev /hdb1. okay, here I am taking a complete this for the volume group backup. Just hit enter. Okay, volume group backup successfully created. So next step is to create a logical volume. Actually I am creating a logical volume that command. Here you see, here I am creating a logical volume with the name of backup. This is a logical volume of a volume group backup, and I am taking a 100% free. It means I am taking a complete space of the volume group backup for this logical volume backup. Okay, just hit enter. So the logical volume backup has been created successfully. Then the next step is to format a logical volume. The command is mk. I am using the formatting mkfs. XFS. XFS is better than extension 4, and this is more better and faster than the extension 4 file system. So just type the command mkfs dot xfs space /dev /volume group is backup. This is a volume group backup, and the logical volume is backup. Okay, to verify the command, just like mkfs.xf or dev backup. Okay, mkfs. Just hit enter. Now the logical volume format with .xfs extension. Okay, here to mount the partition, I am also create a mount point with the name of backup, mkdir space /backup. Okay, just mount the new logical volume backup. This is the volume group, and this is the logical volume. This one. Okay, this is the logical volume, and this is the volume group. To mount on a mount point /backup that I created in the first time. Yeah, mount it. The logical volume mount on a mount point backup. To verify it, type the command -h. You'll see the backup logical volume backup successfully mounted on a mount point of backup with a size of 2 GB. To verify the extension, you can type the command -T. Okay, the type is XFS. Okay, its type is XFS. To mount it permanently, add the entry on the fsdef file. We have etc fsdef. Okay, here you hit ppy. Not YYP. So just change it name. Insert backup dash backup Okay, it's acceptable partition default 00. That is the configuration inside the fstep file. I've just copied the whole line of home by the command of yy then b. Press cap and save it. Def mapper backup dash backup forward slash backup. Okay. Save the file. Press cap then colon wq. To verify the whole configuration is perfect, so just reboot the machine, otherwise the machine will stuck. I am using the command init space 6. This is an old command, you can also use reboot. The machine is rebooting. So you see that the machine is not stuck, so it means the whole configuration is fine. Okay, great. Just to verify it, I restart the session.